We're in the Tramway Nonprofit Center here in the Cole neighborhood. This is home to a number of nonprofits that otherwise wouldn't have an affordable place to do their business day to day, but also to serve folks here in the communities. Buying the Tramway was something we did almost 20 years ago. It was basically a vacant building. We worked to renovate and bring other nonprofits here, and in the meantime work with the community to really come up with programs and things that would support them.
Our families benefit a lot by having multiple organizations within the Tramway. The families are very loyal to this community. We have a big number of families just see the Tramway as their home, as where they belong, where their roots are.